In the deep silence of an endless night, a single, profound vibration stirs the soul of the cosmos, a heartbeat older than time itself. If planets could remember, what would they whisper into the void? As the first tender glimmers of starlight pierce the darkness, hear the ancient murmur of celestial beings awakened from their eternal slumber. The universe, shimmering in gradients of indigo and gold, slowly reveals its timeless secrets, inviting us into a meditative dialogue filled with wonder and introspection. In this vast expanse where each planet cradles its own story, emotions ripple like cosmic winds, and the scars of ancient memories breathe life into every sphere. Jupiter, the majestic sentinel of the heavens, speaks first. Deep and resonant, his voice carries the weight of primordial storms and the wisdom of countless eons. "I hold storms older than your dreams," he intones with a protective timbre that echoes across the void. His words resonate like rolling thunder, invoking images of lunar tempests and swirling gas enveloped in hues of deep violet. His ancient heart beats slowly, every pulse a reminder of what was and what shall continue. Jupiter's vocal cadence, rich with the gravitas of a celestial monarch, reminds us of the vast distances he has witnessed. Distances measured not just in space, but in the span of mortal stories and the eternal ballet of creation. His measured tone envelopes the listener in a warm, albeit formidable, embrace, a cosmic lullaby that speaks of both loss and unfathomable protection. Earth awakens with a tender sigh, her voice soft and trembling with the raw pulse of life. In the gentle cadence echoing the nurturing spirit of Gaia, she confesses the beauty and pain of existence. "I have bloomed and bled through countless seasons," she murmurs, her tone filled with an intense human warmth. Every whispered syllable carries both the miracle of birth and the inevitability of decay. As she recalls lush valleys and scarred landscapes, her voice quivers with emotion, each note saturated with memories of love, loss, and rebirth. Earth's narrative is a mosaic of nurturing hope and despair, reflecting the bittersweet journey of life. Her story is a prayer to the cosmic winds, a reminder that in every tear and every blossom, there is beauty waiting to be discovered in the wake of profound transformation. Mars rises next, his rugged voice carrying the distant echo of a warrior's lament. With a tone both proud and pained, he exhales memories of a time when passion blazed across barren plains. "Once I burned with the fire of life," he declares in a voice marked by a raw, unyielding defiance, tempered by the cool echo of ancient solitude. Mars speaks of battles fought not with weapons, but with the fervor of a heart that dared to defy the void. His words, dotted with the spirit of rage and the ghost of a grand legacy, remind us of the fleeting nature of power and the inevitable stillness that follows the fervor of creation. In his raspy declaration lies the residue of cosmic conflict, a vivid reminder that even the boldest stars must eventually yield to the calm embrace of cosmic silence. Venus enters with an ethereal softness, her voice a tender blend of passion and melancholy. Her tones, imbued with the delicate fragrance of love and beauty, softly declare, "Beauty is my curse and love, my eternal fire." Every word she utters shimmers with the bittersweet essence of desire. Venus's narrative unfolds like a sonnet written in the language of the stars, where every pause is a heartbeat and every sigh a poem of longing. Her voice, at once soft and powerful, paints images of celestial roses and twilight dreams, evoking memories of desires untold and the price of beauty. In her whispers, the delicate interplay of pleasure and heartache weaves a tapestry of both divine grace and mortal regret, inviting all who listen to surrender to the rhythmic pulse of passion and introspection. Then, Saturn speaks in a slow, measured timbre that mirrors the inexorable march of time, his voice resonating with the wisdom of ages and the bittersweet truth of impermanence, intones, "Time carves us all, even gods fade to dust." In every measured syllable, Saturn reveals the inevitable cycle of creation and decay, echoing the ancient legends of discipline and transformation. His narrative is one of quiet reflection, where the weight of countless histories is borne lightly on words that ripple with the steady cadence of eternity. Saturn invites us to meditate on the transient nature of existence, to comprehend that each fleeting moment adds to the mosaic of cosmic memory, and that even the mightiest entities succumb to the gentle, unyielding force of time. His voice is a reminder of the enduring truth, that change is the only constant, and in the passage of time, there lies a profound beauty all its own. Neptune, the distant dreamer of the celestial seas, brings forth a soft, echoing calm. His voice, like a gentle tide, whispers through the vast, quiet expanses. Far from the warmth of life's fervor, I have learned peace in the cold embrace of solitude. Each note he utters carries the mystery of deep, uncharted waters and the quiet resilience of dreams. Neptune's dialogue is an invitation to explore the landscapes of the subconscious, to wade through the infinite pools of intuition and rebirth. His calm, meditative cadence acts like a balm, soothing the spirit with visions of starlit oceans and the stillness that follows an ecstatic storm. In his gentle reflection, one senses the profound revelation that even in isolation, the soul can find an unexpected sanctuary, a place where dreams are nurtured quietly, far from the clamor of a world in constant flux. As their individual voices radiate through the dark expanse, the planets gradually converge into a unified chorus of cosmic memory. In a slow, mesmerizing cadence, the whispers of Jupiter, Earth, Mars, Venus, Saturn, and Neptune weave together a symphony that transcends the limits of time and space. The celestial dialogue transforms into a harmonious murmur that speaks of ancient scars mended by the passage of years, of light that outshines the shadows of despair, and of a collective memory that holds the very essence of creation. It is a conversation that reverberates with the echoes of eternity, a shared confession of the universe that in every end, there stirs a promise of a luminous beginning. Within the soft cascade of light and color, the heavens seem to hold their breath. The narrative of each planet, filled with individual lamentations and tender affirmations, slowly melts into an overwhelming testament to the indelible spirit of existence. Every voice, distinct yet intertwined, reminds us that beauty and sorrow, creation and decay, are inextricably linked in this vast tapestry we call life. The subtle interplay between memory and longing, between ancient strength and delicate grace, invites each listener to peer into the reflective depths of their own soul, to hear the cosmic murmur that sings of hope in the face of relentless change. As the final moments of this celestial dialogue approach, the cosmos seems to gather in a quiet, unified hush. The delicate cadence of the cosmic heartbeat intensifies, echoing through the vast chambers of time, urging us to remember our own place amid the stars. In this climactic convergence, the myriad voices of the planets rise together in an eternal promise, a gentle, everlasting murmur that transcends the language of words. It is a message encoded in the very fabric of the universe, a soulful reminder that we are all woven from the same stardust, bound by the collective memory of creation, and forever connected through the silent, rhythmic pulse of time. And so, in the silent gaze of an ever-watchful universe, let these celestial whispers guide your heart. Let the ancient memories carried by every planet remind you of the beauty that exists in transformation, the strength found in vulnerability, and the infinite power of hope. In every gleaming star and every quiet, distant echo, may you find the courage to embrace the scars and dreams that define your own journey. The cosmic narrative invites you to listen deeply, to let your soul be alight with the radiant glow of remembered love, and to find peace in the profound, timeless dance of existence. We are the memory of creation, still dreaming of light.